Hi guys and welcome to the bakery, and today we're going to be making Rocky Road. And we're going to be using these things. Anyway, we'll get on with the video. Right, and for the recipe, what we need is digestive biscuits, 50 grams of cherries, 225 grams of chocolate, 150 grams of butter, and 45 grams of golden syrup. And obviously you need these things. Guys, don't forget, the recipe is in the description below. Also, it'll be on the screen for you as well. Right guys, the first job we're going to do is mix all the dry ingredients up in the machine bowl and pop the butter and chocolate into a microwave. All we're doing at this stage is just trimming it all down. Right, now I'm going to chuck this into the microwave. Should take around about 2 minutes, and all you're doing is melting the butter and chocolate together. Right guys, we're now ready for the next stage, and we'll just take this off the machine bowl. And this is how crumbed up it should be. It should look like that. So it's well crumbed up. And also once your stuff's been in the microwave, you want it just like that. It doesn't matter if it's not mixed in enough, it'd be fine. Right, now all we do now make a well in the middle and just pour it into the center. And all we're going to do now is just mix that round. Right, it should look like this. And now that's ready. Right guys, what you need now, this is a 30 centimeter by 40 centimeter tray. Now you want to put some paper on it. Make sure it's out inside. And all we're going to do is put the mixture into this. Like this. And all we're going to do is spread it around so it covers the base. If you've made cheesecakes before, it's basically the same type of method. Onto the base. Like that. And get yourself a rolling pin if you've got one that fits the tray. I made this one. I cut one down. Just like that. And there we go. And all you do with this now is pop it into a fridge. Right guys, and now we're on to Rocky Road. And what you want for the Rocky Road is 300 grams of marshmallows. Yummy, yummy. And 300 grams of chocolate fudge. Right, we'll just pop this chocolate fudge in the microwave. Just ready. Alright, we'll just pop our chocolate fudge on. marshmallows and just dot them over the top. Right guys, and we'll pop this into the fridge. Right guys, and now for the topping of the Rocky Road. Now we'll pop that into the fridge. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Check out the description below, that's got your recipe. Do subscribe and do share. Anyway, see you again in the next video. Laters!